Probably no better investment you make is in your health. Man, if you don't have good health, you can't do anything in life, right? And we have a lousy healthcare system compared to all the developed countries, so it's hard to find. But there's a lot of options if you know where to look. You just can't go to one place and think you get healthcare, and they say, no, you don't get coverage, and they got 15 reasons why you're not eligible. But you got to go more than one places to do that. Now, the best place to start is a place called needymeds.org. Okay, if you go to needymeds.org and you click on Healthcare Savings, and there you have everything on the side for prescription drugs, how to get free and low-cost prescription drugs, and then below that there's free and low-cost clinics. So there's medical clinics, dental clinics, mental health clinics, and substance abuse use disorder clinics. I use the dental clinics close to me. I only pay $50 for anything, and that's because I'm eligible, and I feel guilty, and I give them presents all the time. But more importantly, so you got to go needymeds.org. That's the first place to go. Okay. Then what you want to do, there's another place now. It is Obamacare, or actually it's healthcare.gov. Now, people who are applying to that, listen to this. Now, 4 out of 5 people who applied at healthcare.gov were able to find plans for less than $10 a month. So you could get coverage for less than $10 a month. I mean, and this is complete coverage. See, what's neat about Obamacare programs is the preventive care. Like, you go in for a checkup and things like that. They can't charge you for that, and even co-pays and things like that. So it's a great deal. So you want to go there, healthcare.gov. And when you go there, just don't try to figure it out yourself if it looks confusing. If you go in the search tab in healthcare.gov and put in navigators, what you want to find free help with the navigators. These are nonprofit organizations that help you for free to find out what is best for you. Okay. Now there's 2 kinds of navigators, and either one is fine. But what to stay away from, the other people who help you on that website are agents and brokers. Agents and brokers are people who are selling you a specific website, a specific program. So, healthcare.org, .com or something. Some Aetna or any of these big, you're going to talk to them who's going to push you into their program. You don't want to do that. You want to get help from somebody who has nothing to sell you, and they're the navigators. So when you go to healthcare.gov, put in how to find navigators where you live. Okay, so that's the second thing. And then there's a wonderful new hotline the government has called 988. We have a mental health problem in this country, so many people. And so they have a hotline now that you could get either a counselor right online for free, or they'll show you how to make an appointment with a free counselor where you live. So that's 988, or just put 988lifeline.org if you want to need mental health problem. We all need that. Now, here's another interesting thing people don't know about, but the rich people know about this. It's called clinicaltrials.gov. And this is where the government spends money to study problems we don't have answers to. Why? Like I had a missing tooth, and I got in a clinical trial that they were studying single dental implants. So they were trying to do research, and they do all the help for free. They give you stipends to come and go to the doctor and all this kind of stuff. So it's a place to get to. And they spend, listen to this, every year they spend $50 billion on free health care. And these are the best doctors in the world. So if your doctor can't find an answer to something, go to clinicaltrials.gov and see who's studying that, and you could get in the clinical trial. Okay, now so that's another place to get treatment. Now what this is a report I put on ChatGPT to get the data on clinical trials. So I'll put that in for it. Now here, if you're on Medicare, there's a wonderful free service because they're changing the requirements on Medicare all the time and adding new things all the time. And you can't keep up on it. And your health provider is just going to sell you what they have. But here's our free source of experts, Medicare experts, that will take you step by step to find out what programs you're eligible for in Medicare. Every state has this. And you go to this website. I better call a doctor. ShipHelp, ShipHelp.org. And then up here it says, find your local Medicare help. And that's a state. You put in your state and you find people to call and make an appointment and tell you what's good. It's too complicated for an average person to find out about this stuff. Get help, and there's help out there, and it's all free. Don't go to help. Don't go to Google. Google is the last place to go. The only thing you should learn about life, the one thing, you learn what not to do. If you don't have a lot of money, don't start looking for help in Google. Remember that. No money, no Google. If you have a lot of money, God bless you. Go to Google. But there's free options, but they don't advertise. That's why they take a little work, and I have all the links right here. And I've been doing this for 50 years. Wow, I can't believe it. But I'm still doing it because I love it. Because helping people is the most important thing to do in life. So let me help you too.